everyone. The name of our project is the Cozy Bus Stop. Our project mainly focuses on two themes: eco-friendly design and maximization of the surrounding environments. This is the finalized design of our project, with annotations explaining the features of our design. We approximated that the size would be about 40 square feet, depending on the waiting area. Considering when people are waiting for public transportations or even just walking along the streets, we came up with the idea to provide a more comfortable environment and experience for the people. It may help to improve the air quality near the bus stop because our structure can block most of the gas emitted by cars and has air cleaner on the floor. It filters the exhaust gas to provide a better waiting area.
Our project was mainly inspired by the Ladybug Pavilion because this design mimics the natural folding movements of the wings, which can open and close. Our doors and chairs would be programmed to foldable or movable in response to the users. Moreover, subsidiary designs were also inspired by the smart bus stops in Singapore. The bus stop has overhead air cooling and purification technology. Some of the smart bus stations may not only act as a station but also a smart interaction hub in the community. Within the closed yet transparent environment, the bus stop may provide citizens a relatively quiet and fresh shelter pavilion. The shelter can be used when we press buttons to adjust the conformation of the shelter to cover the passenger, including foldable chairs for the maximizing area. There are solar panels installed on the roof of the shelter to charge for the lights and electronic display. There is a ventilation system embodied within the shelter to filter the emitted exhaust gas coming from the road vehicles. There is vegetation planted on the roof and walls of the shelter to naturally absorb the heat emitted from road vehicles.
The Cozy Bus Stop is considered the principle of being resource efficient in material and energy. It uses low energy processes. For example, there are solar panels installed on the rooftop of the shop. Besides, we try to make the bus stop act under the principle of being locally attuned and responsive, such as to have a leveraged cyclic process, sensors to detect related sunlight and degree of air pollution on the road, and the glass cover may change color and transparency to reduce heat absorption. It can adjust brightness and trigger the air cleaner at the stop to save energy. There are some limitations and following improvements that can be made. At first, it might not be cost-effective due to its complications and high technology used. Our project aims to use recycled materials to structure bus stops. We may reduce finances from improvement of the general standards of health in long term. Second, it may not be feasible to plant vegetation since it takes lots of effort and human resources to care about the vegetation. However, we can plant vegetation that grows without specific treatment for better scenery and environment. We believe that our design can improve living standards of Hong Kong society. That's all of this video. Thank you.